Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your December 2021 exams. So I am here to announce another 2 special live classes on Unacademy. Thank you so much to all the students who have been joining the sessions on Unacademy and availing the benefit of free special live classes. Yes, these classes are totally free of cost. You can also unlock them by using my code CSJAS. These 2 special live classes are on 11th and 12th October. On 11th October, we will be discussing the part 2 of the past year questions of general meetings, which we left on Friday, that is 8th October. For the students who have been continuing the special live classes, they know that on 8th October, we were studying the past year questions of general meetings, part 1, and we will be continuing with the part 2 of the same lecture because we had yet not completed that lecture, right? And on 12th October, we will be starting next chapter from the subject company law, that is directors, and in that we will be studying with the topic of director identification number. So on 12th we will be discussing all about DIN, that is director identification number, and both the special live classes will be sharp at 7 p.m. I hope you all will be joining and interacting with me live at 7 p.m. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS, totally free of cost. The link to the classes will be given in the description box below. Other than that, Unacademy offers awesome courses for CA, CS and CMA students. If you have not checked their courses till now, then go ahead and check the courses and get the subscription. If you are interested in getting Unacademy subscription, download the Unacademy learning app, select your goal and click on get subscription. And while getting subscription, if you use my code CSJAS, you will get flat 10% discount on the amount of the subscription. So go ahead and check it, and the link to the subscriptions will be given in the description box below as well. Other than that, if you are a CA intermediate student, then let me tell you that Unacademy is arranging a combat scholarship test for all of you on Sunday at 12 p.m. So go ahead and give the test, and there are different prizes for different rank holders. Go ahead and check about the scholarship test as well. I hope you all will be joining me on 11th and 12th October sharp at 7 p.m. Bye.